Welcome back to viewers. Today, I'm thrilled to bring you an exciting first look at the 2025 BMW M4 CS. Is this the perfect blend of power, style, and practicality? Let's take a closer look and find out together.
The 2025 BMW M4 CS is positioned between the standard M4 competition and the track-focused M4 CSL. It aims to blend daily usability with exhilarating performance, making it a versatile choice for enthusiasts.
The M4 CS houses a 3-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine, delivering an impressive 543 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. This setup propels the car from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.2 seconds, rivaling some of the fastest sports cars on the market. Taking the M4 CS around the track is a thrilling experience. The xDrive all-wheel drive system, especially in 4WD Sport mode, provides exceptional grip and agility. The car feels rear-biased, offering the playful dynamics of a rear-wheel drive car with the added confidence of all-wheel drive.
Unlike the more hardcore M4 CSL, the CS doesn't compromise on comfort. The adaptive suspension is well tuned for daily driving, absorbing road imperfections with ease. Inside, you'll find a driver-focused cockpit with all the modern amenities you'd expect from BMW.
BMW plans to produce a limited number of M4 CS models, with approximately 350 units expected to reach US dealerships. This exclusivity adds to the car's appeal, making it not just a performance machine, but also a collector's item.
In conclusion, the 2025 BMW M4 CS strikes an impressive balance between track-ready performance and everyday usability. Its potent powertrain, agile handling, and limited availability make it a standout in the sports coupe segment. If you're seeking a car that delivers excitement on both the road and track, the M4 CS is definitely worth considering.
Thanks for joining us on this first drive review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth car reviews. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on the M4 CS. Until next time, drive safe.